Consider some of the new things we do, which are time-bound, such as cooking a new food, composing a song, creating a video, building a house, or going on a trip or travel. These new things are called projects. In doing these projects, we focus on three main factors: scope, which is what the project will deliver and the extent of work required; time, which is when the project will be completed; and cost, which is the budget required to complete the project. These three factors, scope, cost, and time, are called the triple constraints or project triangle, and are very important concept in project management. The degree to which we succeed or meet quality expectations and achieve the desired objectives in our projects somewhat depend on our ability to manage the triple constraints. This is a main role of a project manager. So virtually everyone is a project manager. It is just that some people are better and more professional project managers. The triple constraint is also called the iron triangle because they are tightly related to one another, and any change to one constraint will affect at least one of the other two constraints. For instance, if you initially wanted your website to be completed in 12 weeks and you later want it completed in 10 weeks, the cost will need to increase, otherwise the quality of the website will be compromised. So the purpose of the triple constraint is to establish the boundaries that help project managers and stakeholders make better trade-offs or adjustments in order to achieve desired quality and business objectives. Before a project begins, the project manager could explain to the stakeholders the relationship amongst the triple constraints and the effect of changing any of the constraints so that everyone get a shared understanding. This can help the project to be successful. In traditional projects, the scope is fixed, while the time and cost are estimated. Consider the example of a client that needs a 2-floor house to be built within 12 months. The requirements of the house, such as number and size of bedrooms and washrooms, and the work to be done to deliver the house, are included in the scope. Based on the scope and the estimated time, the cost was estimated as $500,000. So the three constraints, scope, time, and cost, are now decided or baselined. Consider the following scenarios. Scenario 1, fixed scope, reduced time. During construction, the client requests for the house to be completed ahead of schedule in 10 months without any change in scope. For the time constraint to be reduced to 10 months without reducing or compromising quality, more resources will be required, or the same resources will work extra hours, which will increase the cost constraint. Scenario 2, increased scope. Suppose during construction, the client decided to increase the scope by requesting the construction of a driveway and a borehole, which were initially out of scope. To maintain quality, the scope increase will require additional cost and could also take more time if more resources are not added. In conclusion, if you change any one of the triple constraints, there must be a proportional change to at least one of the other two constraints. Otherwise, quality will suffer. Making the correct adjustment to the triple constraints, scope, cost, and time, is a major part of project management and plays a key role in determining project success. Thanks for watching. Please drop your comments, and if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe and hit the bell button so that you get notified when we come up with new videos.